Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create roof design in Revit architecture 3D model. So basically, first of all, when I get create 3D model here, you can see that this one is everything has been used from this model. Basically, door, window, column, uh, drawers available in uh, bedroom, and anywhere you can use from drawers. Here you see this like that door here, and just like make the windows is it available, and this is the plant ground on the door. So how to use floor design basically. So floor, there are many types of available. This is the architectural floor, structural floor, and like that face floor and slab edge. So I can use from roof floor design. So floor, you can select this particular, this edge and this edge, and again to create the floor design. It is very simple, and not the cutting from this door and window size has been not the change. They are go to down direction, they are not the exit in upward direction. This is the level here, and we will apply floor, and extruded form is going to down direction. So let's start how to do the floor design. So first of all, when go to enter from here, this one, this is the floor architectural. When get apply the floor architecture, change from background color here, then select this particular wall, and also select this wall, and again select this wall, and also choose from this wall. Then you have to go to the select this every particular wall, then after go to OK, and you can go to OK, otherwise cut, right? So I will go to yes, OK. Here you can see that it is made from wall design, and not the cover indoor, door size and door height is properly here. This floor is going to be down direction. Look at this. So it is very easy from make the floor design in Revit architecture 3D model design. When again I will show you, I will just back Ctrl Z here, selection right now, when exit OK. Now let's again, I will go to here floor design, first floor architecture. When first of all click this particular wall here, only for select the wall. If I go to here comes from and select this wall, and also get select this wall, right? Same thing again, if you change this position here, so go to down direction, and again select this wall, and after again select this wall. Just select has been completed. Otherwise, if I get select this wall and also get select this wall, so there are the many four. This one is other here, and other here, other here. So right now, then after go to OK here, it's finished the mode. So here you can see that this one is not here. You can select this ceiling and click this particular edge, and then after go to OK. So right here also get enter. This is the OK right now, has been covered from outer direction. In look at this, this is has been create from floor design. It's like that, you can see properly. Now let's next floor design how to do that. When get the Ctrl Z, here you can see, right, look at this, this is not apply the floor. The next floor has been used from here, this one floor structural. So go to floor structural, then also select this wall and also select this wall, and get as well as select this wall, and also here you can see that this is. Now see this, easy to select. Here this is the wall right now, and this wall has been selected in a particular here, and make the floor design. Other ones has a different floor design. Here you can see that floor by face, floor by slab. You can select according to slab, but there is no slab, is not used. So there are the many types of floor design in Revit architecture, and easy to create. First of all, get the architectural and select this particular edge. Okay, then has been complete. See here, if you change this particular views, you look at the any views has rotating from in this particular diagram here, and I want get change the right view, top view, side view, bottom view, and get the isometric view. So if you click this here, then go to isometric view. Right now here you can see that. So this is very useful from floor design. Then after I will show you here roof. Right now when get the roof and level second, then also click this face, and also click this face and click this edge, then after end from this edge, then go to OK here. Look at this, it is apply from as well as apply the floor, door, window, columns, everything has been used from this architecture 3D model. So today has completed this session. Do like and subscribe our channel.